Here's 5 reasons to grow this lovely annual herb, native to Southern Europe, Northern Africa and Southwestern Asia. Reason 1. It has multiple health benefits with a rich source of dietary fibre, manganese, iron and magnesium, with vitamins K, C and protein, which could all be beneficial in lowering your blood sugar levels, boosting immunity, improving heart health, protecting brain health, promoting digestion and gut health, and improving kidney functioning. Reason 2. You can save the seeds once they turn golden brown, store them in an airtight container and you've got yourself a spice to use, or seeds to grow next spring. Reason 3. For me, it smells amazing. A kind of spicy, citrusy, nutty scent. Reason 4. It's great for pollinators such as honeybees and bumblebees, and the plant repels aphids, Colorado beetles and spider mites. And reason 5. There's loads of yummy recipes out there that you can add the leaves or the seeds to.